Hi, I'm April Chalk, your go-to functionality expert at Trevi Custom Homes. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our 2025 Utah Valley Parade Home and the first of our Summit Creek villas. Each of these villas will be approximately 4,000 square feet of effortless living, designed to be the lowest maintenance home you'll ever own. So let's talk about how these homes will make everyday life easy. First, you have main level living. Everything you need is right here with a seamless flow from the kitchen to the great room to the owner's suite. And when you need extra space, the walkout basements are here with room to spare for entertainment, guests, kids, and extra storage. Plus, you will have an extra large 3-car garage with room for your cars and your toys or tools. And let's talk functionality. In each villa, we are including durable fixtures and easy to clean finishes, so everything looks great and stays great with minimal effort. And I've designed each space with built-in functional storage solutions, so the organizing will be intuitive and you'll never have to wonder where things go. Of course, we saved the best for last, the exceptional views. And guess what? They don't require any maintenance either. Plus, you'll be just steps away from all the amenities that Summit Creek has to offer, including the pool and pickleball courts. My motto is luxury, but make it functional. And if that's what you are looking for, these villas are it. Let's make low maintenance luxury your new way of life at Summit Creek. Call us today to schedule a showing.